Good evening, everyone. I'm Harshit, and today I'm going to present my project Vaathi. So, Vaathi is a Tamil word which means a teacher. So, Vaathi is an AI-powered study companion that helps students to learn smarter by generating study guides and personalized learning roadmap, which can help them to plan their studies. So. We have used we have used React JS and Tailwind CSS for front end and Node.js and Express for backend, and we have used DigitalOcean Gradient API to use AI functionalities in our applications such as creating roadmaps and creating study guides. So yeah, let's go to the demo part. So as you can see this is I'm running my client on localhost 5173 and so I'm running my backend or server in localhost 5000. So let me first open the client. So yeah, enter a topic to learn. So we can enter any topic. It is not that we can enter only technical topics. We can enter like anything. So for example, if I want to learn, for example, JavaScript execution context. So mm, okay, this is JavaScript execution context. Let me create a study guide. So now it is taking help of AI to generate the content. So you can see a simplified explanation has been created. It explains what exactly is execution context and a quick quiz like a question and answer. So like what happens when the function is called, or you can see in the screen like what is the first execution context created when a GS for runs. So the answer to global execution context. So you can see a quick quiz kind of a quiz card has appeared, and we can write various other topics. And let's move to roadmap, and then I wanted to show you the usage of the Gradient API. So target goal like what we want to learn. Suppose we want to learn, for example, data structures. Uh, Using JavaScript. Uh, for current skills, I will like current skills means what skills I want to add while learning while learning this target code. So I will write for example, okay, uh, trees, graphs, uh, dynamic programming. Okay, pretty tough topics. And yeah, and remember we have to also give comma. We don't give and over there, like and. So what more I can add? Let me add. Let me add it, for example. So this topic we want to learn. I will change this for backend skills afterwards for better understanding. Hours per week, like as the name says it, how many hours we want to devote per week. So like hours per week. Suppose I am ready to give. Suppose it should be hours. It like 10 hours and weeks. Like how many weeks I want to study. Not let's give us 20. That would be better. Yeah, that should be good. Yes. Duration. Like what should be a total duration? So suppose I want to learn this topic in the duration of 6. And now when I click on generate roadmap, like over there, when I click on generate study plan, it will now take help of DigitalOcean's Gradient API to generate the roadmap. So let's generate our roadmap. It's taking time. So yeah, as you can see, uh, a demo like a week plan a week plan has been scheduled. Like okay, so I have 6 weeks, and how like what all things I can do within this within every week in the duration of 6 weeks. So you can see week one is array and basic algorithm. It gives you objectives what you should do. It gives you tasks like you should solve 10 problems on lead code, and you can like it gives you also assessment like a short blog for explaining time complexity or of your implementation. We have then linked list and complex array manipulation. We have binary trees and BST operation. We have graph structure traversal algorithm. We have dynamic programming primer. Okay, we have concepts of dynamic programming. Okay, we have also capstone project and comprehensive assignment. So you can see, and also one thing like for each week we have object, task, and resources and assessment mentioned. We can also click on this. For example, okay, let me click on empty arrows. Let's see what happens. You can see bingo. You can see our resource as games of MDN docs, one of the best docs in web development. So like you can see, you can study from over here. You can take it as a resource. So same for link list, and we have added tutorials and all. So like let me do what happens with this. Let me see. You see, now only questions of array will come probably. So yeah, you will also get links of resources and a roadmap history you will get, and you can write whatever whatever you want to study you can write. So yeah, that's about my project. And coming to the Gradient API part. So DigitalOcean's Gradient API AI platform, not sorry, not API. So DigitalOcean's Gradient AI platform is a enable us to create production-ready AI agents using customizable tools or access multiple LLMs through a single endpoint. So we need no infrastructures, and like it's like literally easy. So like what I did, I signed up into the DigitalOcean. Then I went to agent platform and I created. Wait, let it open. So I created an AI agent. Like you can click and see. And yeah, to create this, you must have DigitalOcean credits. Since I was in a hackathon, I got those credits for free. So you need I think you need a DigitalOcean's credit in order to create AI agent. You can create AI agent, and you can add which model you want to add. So there are various pricing, there are various models with each pricing. So you can select as per your convenience. So like I created, wait a minute, uh, I created uh, an AI agent for my application where like I've added how the AI has to respond like this is like the agent instruction, like how the agent has to respond when a question has been asked, and through the data inserted, we AI generates the content, and we then integrate it in a frontend using a DigitalOcean's API. So you can see this is the AI agent we have used, and you can also create knowledge base. So basically, what it does that suppose if you want your AI to answer only some specific questions. So in knowledge base, you can add those files, and AI will only answer like what all things you have added in knowledge base. So yeah, you can see this is the endpoint. This is the token which I have used. This is the model which I have used, and this is the chatbot ID and its snippet to use. So I have used this, and we also have an API documentation, so that we can connect this. We can connect our agents into our application via DigitalOcean API smoothly. So yeah, that's my submission for DigitalOcean's Hacktoberfest Hackathon. Thank you. I hope you like the project.